Hello, and welcome to my tutorial on how to use a VR headset to access web browser-based VR modes. Today, I will be demonstrating on the Oculus Go. In this tutorial, I will show you how to browse the web on your VR headset and how to access VR modes through your web browser. I will also introduce you to some great free VR modes that will open up a whole new world of virtual reality. Before starting, you need to know how to use your VR headset, how to turn it on, how to pair it with your smartphone, and how to navigate the interface. You will also need to have a basic understanding of how to use a web browser and what the internet is. I'm looking forward to sharing these fun resources with you. First, let's refresh our memories about the Oculus controller and learn how to use it on the browser. The controller acts like a mouse. You move it around to point to things on your screen, and use the trigger button to click. You use the trackpad to scroll through pages using your thumb. The back button is the rounded top button. You use it when exiting VR mode, and you can also use it as a back button when browsing the web. The lower flat button is the Oculus button. You use it to call up the menu wherever you are, like this. Call it up and send it away again. Alright, here we are in virtual reality. To open your browser, you go to the Home menu, then select Browser. The browser is just like a browser on your computer. You use your controller's pointer, like a mouse, to click on the navigation bar where you can type in a search or a URL. The keyboard pops up, and you use your controller's pointer to click on the letters and then click Go. You can see below the keyboard suggestions pop up just like they would on Google. Let's do a search for things to do on WebVR. And you see it's done a Google search for us. You can do whatever you would usually do on your computer browser with your Oculus browser. But we are here for the virtual reality, so let's show you how to enter VR modes through the web. There's a site called Sketchfab where you can view and download 3D objects. And if you make 3D objects, you can upload them to share. Let's take a look at this robot hand. Once it is loaded, you can select the View in VR option in the bottom right corner, and you'll hop into VR mode. And here we are. It's a robot hand with a robot arm. Pretty cool. Now, to exit the VR mode, we are going to use our back button. And there we have it. Different sites have different ways to enter VR mode. The Smithsonian Institute also has an amazing collection of 3D objects to view. Let's check out the Molina Family Latino Gallery. These shoes, worn by muralist Judy Baca, look neat. We can manipulate them here. Now, this time we don't see any obvious view in VR buttons. But if we click the full screen button, we get a new little menu on the bottom. One of the options is non-VR. If you click on that, you'll see a little drop-down menu opens, and you select VR 360. And poof! Here we are with these boots covered in paint. Very cool. And now to exit, we are going to use our back button to exit out of the VR mode. And then from here, you can either use your back button again or click in full screen to go back to the website. Now that we've explored Sketchfab and the Smithsonian's VR offerings, I'll give you a few other websites to check out on your own. Links to these websites are in the video description. When you find something interesting, you're going to want to bookmark it. To bookmark the page, just go to the little bookmark icon. It says Create/Edit Bookmark. Click on that, and it'll open a little dialog. You can change the name if you need to. And then you click Save. All of your bookmarks will be on the right-hand side. Now that you've learned how to use your web browser on your VR headset to access WebVR experiences, I'll leave you with a little challenge to test your skills. First, look on the Smithsonian website for the inside of the Apollo 11 command module. Then look on Sketchpad for the International Space Station. Notice a theme here? Space exploration. Next, you can browse the WebVR site or just do a search for Access Mars. You're in for a treat. Don't forget to bookmark your sites. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope you fill out my feedback survey to let me know how I did. The link is in the video description. Thank you, and enjoy virtual reality.